What's up, everyone? I'm going to show you how I game on my laptop with two monitors. So pretty much I've been trying out different hubs that you can use to plug in a whole bunch of different things. And here we go. So here's my actual order history on here. You can see um, I have them kind of in order of least favorite to favorite. I bought this one. It's not available anymore anyway, but I mean, got the job done. It has an HDMI port, one USB, and then one USB-C, which is cool. It replaces the USB-C that you're using and gives you an extra USB port, as well as an HDMI port. The next one that I got was this Acer one, which definitely cheaper, so that's nice. If you're looking for just more USB ports, you get four of them. Got to plug it into your USB-C. You get a USB-C and also four USB ports. Finally, this one, that's the one in the video. This thing is like my lifesaver because when my real computer died, it like destroyed me. But I got a gaming laptop, and the first thing I was like, how the heck am I going to show all of my monitors because I'm so accustomed to using them. Anker brand, I like. I mean, it's a preference for me. But this is the one that I got, and since August, I've been able to game. I've been able to edit. I've been doing able to do everything that I like to do normally. It's like I have a tower again, and I'm doing it on a laptop. So this thing is great because it's got USB-C port is what it plugs into. You get two USBs. You get, oh God, I can't even count them. You get multiple USBs, like a regular, at least five. There's five there. Yeah. You get a micro SD port. So that's what I use to upload my camera pics from my GoPro, and videos, obviously. Ethernet, two of the HDMIs. So that's how I have my two monitors set up. Woo! And it can be a little tricky to set up the two monitors. So you could just use your regular HDMI port from your laptop and also the HDMI port here. Had a bit of an issue with like a mirroring thing. So actually, that's what I'm doing right now. Um, yeah, but anyway, oh yeah, an audio thing for your headphones because my laptop doesn't even have a thing for headphones, and it definitely doesn't have enough USB ports. So hopefully that helps you. I love it. Maybe you will too. Good luck.